friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today we are going to go shopping at Homegoods to see what new home decor trends are in store for summer. So if you're like me, you're looking to refresh your home a little for summer, so I thought I would go out and see what I could find. And guys, they have some really nice things in store for summer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, welcome. I would so love if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I love shopping for home decor and decorating on a budget. So if that's something you are into as well, please hit the subscribe button and let's get on to see what's in stores.